In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Dear fellows, today my topic is faith in destiny. It means believing that everything that happens, whether good or bad, is part of Allah's plan. It involves trusting that Allah knows everything, has control over all events, and nothing happens without His will. This belief gives comfort that whatever occurs in according to Allah's wisdom and is meant for a reason. The strong believer is one who has firm faith in destiny, loves Allah and does good. In a well-known hadith narrated by Abu Huraira radiallahu anhu, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer. Although both are good, strive for what benefits you. Seek help from Allah and do not give up. If something troubles you, do not say, if only I had done such and such, it would have been different. Rather say, this is the decree of Allah and He does whatever He wills." For saying, if only, opens the door to the work of shaitan. This hadith teaches us that a strong believer remains firm in their faith in Allah and in the face of trials, while the weak believer loses hope over minor setbacks. The Prophet, peace be upon him, encourages us to strive towards what is beneficial, to place our trust in Allah, and to avoid indulging in thoughts of regret or doubt about the past. These doubts are what Shaitan uses to weaken a person's faith. Another important narration from Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu tells us of a lesson the Prophet, peace be upon him, taught him while riding on a mount. "O young man, I will teach you some words of advice. Be mindful of Allah and He will protect you. Be mindful of Allah and you will find Him before you. If you ask, ask Allah. If you seek help from Allah. Know that if the whole nation gathered to benefit you with something, they could not benefit you except with what Allah had already decreed for you. And if they gathered to harm you, they could not harm you except with what Allah had already decreed against you. The pens have been lifted and the pages have dried." This profound advice teaches that reliance on Allah alone is key. No harm or benefit can come except by the will of Allah, and everything is predestined by Him. Trusting in this belief strengthens the faith of a believer and provides a sense of peace and certainty, knowing that whatever happens is by the decree of Allah. In another narration by Abu Khuzama, he asked the Prophet, peace be upon him, about whether the use of medicine and protection, such as shields in war, could prevent something from happening that Allah had already decreed. The Prophet, peace be upon him, responded, "It is also from the decree of Allah." This statement emphasizes that even our efforts, treatments, and protections are all part of Allah's destiny. Everything is interconnected in Allah's divine plan, and nothing happens outside of His will, including the means we use for protection or healing. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya Rasulallah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya Nabi Allah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Nur Allah.